Hello and welcome to my local woods. Today I'm going to talk about taking your meditation or mindful practice outside. Actually, I find the word practice even can be a bit alienating. So what I mean by that is just how you can help yourself to build more of a meditation habit, because this is something I've really struggled with. I want to meditate every day, and I find I often don't. And I often come up with reasons why I've got other things I need to do, or I do it, but I find it quite frustrating because, I don't know, I close my eyes, I want to go to sleep, or my mind is really busy and there's so many things going on in my head that I know if I meditate, I'm just going to be kind of doing battle with all of my thoughts. And, sometimes also I might be feeling quite emotional, and it can feel hard to do meditation because you're going to have to go inwards and deal with all of that stuff that's going on. And then last week I did a forest bathing day, and it was my first experience of forest bathing, which basically just is about connecting with nature, just slowing down and really taking the time to notice nature. It's really that simple. And I loved the course, and what I really got from it was that doing meditation or mindfulness in nature, to me, feels a lot more accessible because you are directing your attention outwards. So you're noticing the things around you instead of turning that attention inwards. And of course, the magic of it is that all the inner stuff works itself out while you're putting your attention on the things around you. So I want to share 3 tips for how you can try taking your meditation or your mindfulness outside. And they're really, really simple. So the first is to use sound. So when you found your spot, wherever you are outside, just to close your eyes and listen and notice the different sounds. So I hear the branch right above me waving in the wind, and the leaves on it are rustling a little bit. I can hear lots of birds chirruping around me. I can hear, I think it's a turtle dove. I just heard a bird taking off from the branches. I can hear something in the branches. Sounds as if there's maybe a squirrel or something moving up in the branches. And that's it. You just close your eyes, you listen for the sounds, and maybe just gently label them for yourself in your head. And the second one is, if you don't even want to close your eyes, is just to kind of fix your gaze in a certain direction and just notice anything that's in motion. So if I just look right in front of me, I can see cobwebs on the branches in front of me, and they're glistening in the sunshine. I can see some gnats flying around up above that. I can see lots of leaves kind of gently rustling in the wind. I can see a bumblebee searching along at ground level. I can see the shadows from the sun. And that's it. Just look in a direction and notice anything in motion. Again, just gently label for yourself in your head the things that you can see. And then the third one is, if even sitting still or standing still can feel uncomfortable, you maybe feel self-conscious if you're in a public place, is just to do some really slow walking. So just to walk and to notice what you see. And again, just try that sort of gentle labeling. And you can even try fun things like to notice what you may be able to smell, but really, really slow down to a pace that just feels almost a bit unnatural. And that will really help you to get focused and to notice things that you might not see otherwise. So those are the 3 things you can try. They were listening with your eyes closed, looking in a direction for things in motion, or really slow walking and noticing. And the last thing I want to say is that it doesn't have to be somewhere really special. For me, I can get to these woods in just a couple of minutes, but you can just go into your garden. You could sit on a bench in a park. If you can't get outside, you could just have a vase of flowers or something to look at. So don't make it difficult for yourself. The whole point is to make this really accessible. And I hope that you might notice a difference in your meditation, if that is something where you're, looking to find a different way in. And if not, worst case scenario, you get outside, get some fresh air, get to appreciate your surroundings.